evening. Shehzad Poonawalla, National Spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Charan Singh Sapra, Spokesperson of the Congress Party. Thank you, gentlemen, both of you, for joining us this evening. Shehzad, I'll come across to you first. Rahul Gandhi says कि बीजेपी नफरत फैला रही है और मैं लोगों को जोड़ने निकला हूं. I'm out to spread love and the message of communal harmony.
Today I want to welcome Congress Party and Rahul Gandhi's statement with all open arms, because Rahul Gandhi's statement, which I just made you hear, for the shortage of time I'm going to just read it out. मैं 2800 किलोमीटर चला, मुझे कहीं पर भी नफरत या हिंसा नहीं दिखी, मगर न्यूज चैनल खोलता हूं तो हमेशा नफरत दिखाई देती है. He has acknowledged that there is no nafrat in the country, there is nafrat in news channels. So therefore I would say, Charanjit ji, please immediately disband Bharat Jodo, anyways it's becoming COVID Jodo, and you start news channel Jodo. I mean, on a serious note, however, look at the contradictions in Rahul Gandhi's statements. If there is no nafrat in the country, then Rahul Gandhi should introspect and he will find nafrat in his own party. This is a party which has done Hindu-Muslim and divided the country. This is a party whose Prime Minister got up and said that first right belongs to Muslims. This is a party in which electricity is divided into Hindu-Muslim in Rajasthan. Karoli, Jhalawar, Chhindwara, Jilwara, Tonk, all these riots took place under Ashok Gehlot's watch. This is a party which started off with George Ponaiya and ended with Kamal Hassan, the same Kamal Hassan who said POK is Azad Kashmir and wanted a plebiscite in Kashmir. And George Ponaiya, we know what he said about Hindus and Bharat Mata. This is a party which has given the biggest riots in this country. Muzaffarnagar, Hashimpura, Bhagalpur, Meerut, Malyana, and all the big riots took place under the Congress's watch, including 1984 Charanjit Singh. और टाइटलर को भी जोड़ दिया था. तो नफरत तो आपके भीतर है. नफरत इज सिटिंग इनसाइड कांग्रेस पार्टी, सो ही शुड फाइंड नफरत देयर एंड ही कैन नॉट फाइंड नफरत इन द स्ट्रीट्स ऑफ इंडिया. एंड आई एक्नॉलेज दिस स्टेटमेंट मेड बाय राहुल गांधी.
Charanjit ji, would you like to respond to that?
Yeah, I would like to respond first in one line कि राहुल जी चल रहे हैं और बीजेपी जल रही है. I don't understand why BJP is sweating and is jealous of the success of Bharat Jodo Yatra. You know, in this Yatra, what Rahul ji tried to explain, it will never go into the head of BJP spokesperson. What he was trying to say is that कि नफरत जो है वो जमीन पर, यानी when I am walking with people, I don't see anything. But when I see a different world through the media, through the television channels, they try to, you know, feed all these divisive policies which the BJP wants, which is advantageous to the BJP. Now, BJP spokesperson has spoken so many things, but he will never speak on the rising inflation or the rising unemployment, of inequality, all these issues which Rahul ji is taking through his Bharat Jodo Yatra. He's trying to spread love. He's trying to, you know, counter the hate which they are trying to spread. So the divisive policies are being attacked by Rahul Gandhi, and rightly Kamal Hassan said कि मेरे दिल की आवाज थी कि भारत जोड़ने वालों के साथ में जुड़ो, भारत तोड़ने वालों के साथ में न जुड़ो. Shehzad can speak anything about Kamal Hassan, but his today's statement has really hit the nail in the head.
May I just come in very quickly, Paulami?
Okay.
First of all, look, Charanjit ji, I agree. I can't understand Rahul. Rahul को समझने के लिए कुछ अलग ही आपको चाहिए. I'll tell you why. Because he said अडानी अंबानी की सरकार. अब ये अडानी अंबानी की सरकार ये वाली तो नहीं है. देखिए जरा टीवी ऑन कीजिएगा चरणजीत जी. अशोक गहलोत जी ने तो अडानी जी को वेलकम दिया, रेड कारपेट वेलकम दिया, प्रशंसा की. 1,68,000 करोड़ का इन्वेस्टमेंट अडानी और अंबानी का लिया. महाराष्ट्र में आपकी जब सरकार थी तो डीपोर्ट एलोकेट किया था, यूपीए की सरकार में एसीसेड और लोन दिया था, और अब बोल रहे अडानी अंबानी की सरकार. मतलब कि राजस्थान की सरकार अडानी अंबानी वाली सरकार है. अगर ऐसा है तो प्लीज टेल अशोक गहलोत के इमीडिएटली मस्ट कैंसिल ऑल प्रोजेक्ट्स ऑफ अडानी अंबानी और एल्स apologize for berating the private sector of this country. Secondly, I want to ask you that unemployment and yuva and berozgari, Rajasthan, the berozgari is about 20% for the last 1 year. In Gujarat, it is 1.5%. Both are agal-bagal ke states. And today, the 10th paper has been leaked. In Rajasthan, RPSC second grade paper has been leaked. 10th paper. What is happening to the youth of Rajasthan? They are coming to Delhi, Lucknow, everywhere, searching for Rahul Gandhi. कि राहुल जी वो वादे किए थे, आप पूरा कीजिए. Paper after paper gets leaked in Rajasthan, and you have the gall to speak about the youth of this country. What have you done for the youth of Rajasthan? Please tell us.